is like creating something layer by layer, just like building a tower with blocks, but in a really tiny and precise way. Imagine if you wanted to make a toy robot. The 3D printer starts at the bottom and adds a tiny layer of material, like plastic or metal.
Then it goes up a bit and it adds another layer. And it keeps doing this until the whole robot is built. It's like stacking really thin pancakes, but each layer is a part of your robot. This 3D printed robot boosts full body articulation, allowing for seamless movement in all directions, crafted with precision, making it capable of executing a wide range of tasks with dexterity and agility.
Introducing our range of customized 3D printed products. Choose from a spectrum of vibrant colors to suit your preference, and tailor the size to meet your specific needs.
To explore more, please visit our YouTube channel MNO 3D Shop
or our Instagram MO 3D Shop.